I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and licensing so installation won't stall. Once done, plug in a reliable 8 GB plus USB drive and run Microsoft's media creation tool to download the Windows 10 ISO. Make sure to choose the correct architecture: 64-bit for modern systems, 32-bit only for old limited machines. Create the bootable USB now. This writes the installation files and makes the drive bootable. This step prevents mid-install failures and ensures your new PC has the right image and license ready. You will reboot into firmware and boot the USB to begin installation. First, change boot order or use the one-time boot menu. Ensure UEFI mode if your board supports it. Once the installer loads, select language and click Install. Enter your product key now or continue to activate later with a Microsoft account. For storage, pick GPT partitioning for UEFI. Create or format partitions as needed and pick the primary partition. After clicking Next, Windows copies files and installs drivers. This takes several minutes. You finish by completing out-of-box experience. Set up a local or Microsoft account, configure privacy options, and connect to the network so updates start. Once on the desktop, run Windows Update and then download any vendor drivers, graphics, chipset, network to ensure stability. If something breaks, don't panic. Recreate the USB with Media Creation tool, try a different USB port or drive, run a memory test, and verify BIOS SATA and UEFI settings. These troubleshooting steps fix most installation failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.